Asus recently launched its gaming ROG Phone 8, and the company plans to launch the Zenfone 11 and Zenfone 11 Ultra this summer. The official look and nearly every detail have been leaked. You will see it all in this video, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's talk about the design of the Asus ROG Phone 8, which was recently launched. This time, fans were not as pleased with the design. Asus gaming phones were popular among fans because of their aggressive gaming style and flashy design. However, this time around, Asus chose a more modern design over the typical gaming design. The leaked renders of the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra show a design that is similar to the ROG Phone 8, but with a more modern appearance. It comes in 5 attractive color options for users to choose from. Typically, the Zenfone series comes in compact sizes. Last year's Zenfone 10 had a 5.92-inch display. However, this time, there's an Ultra variant, and like the same ROG Phone 8 design, you'll get to enjoy the same larger 6.78-inch Ultra LPTO AMOLED display with a refresh rate that goes up to 144 Hz, especially beneficial during gaming sessions. Because Asus phones are known for their high performance, the Zenfone is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which supports up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. To handle such high power, it includes a large 5500 mAh battery that supports 65 watts of wired and 15 watts of wireless charging. The camera department in the Zenfone 11 Ultra looks very similar to the ROG Phone 8. There is a 50MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide camera, a 32MP telephoto lens, and a 32MP selfie camera up front. In my opinion, the decision to move away from an entirely gaming-oriented design and toward a more modern look, as well as to separate the Zenfone line into compact and Ultra variants, indicates a move towards reaching a larger audience. The Ultra variant seems to have looks and specs almost identical to the ROG Phone 8 series, except for the absence of RGB lights on the back and the addition of more color options. But I think the company needs to pay a bit more attention to the camera department, as the camera performance seems to lag behind competitors. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. This is TechTix, signing off.